Coming up on the final episode of our Maui series, we flip our own pancakes, chase some humpback whales, explore the stunning Four Seasons Maui, and swim with tropical fish right off the beach. And we close out our unforgettable trip with a sunset dinner that made us promise ourselves we would be back. This is our Maui goodbye.
In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain. Long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side.
All right, you guys, we are trying some unique coffees today on the island of Maui. What'd you get?
We got an iced vanilla macadamia nut latte.
Yes, and I got the iced Thai espresso. They're so good. We are at Slappy Cakes, and the cool thing about this, Garrett found this restaurant, and you make your own pancakes.
Literally on the griddle right in front of us.
I'm so excited. So first you choose a batter. What are we looking at? I think like buttermilk, and then like, should we see what their seasonal flavor is?
The same thing.
Love it. All right, pick some fixins.
Okay, one of the buttermilk batters, and then we'll do the seasonal cherry red velvet.
Yes.
We want to do the white chocolate chips, macadamia nuts, and maple syrup for that one.
Mango?
We said mango, pineapple, and the bacon.
Yeah.
Do you prefer the bacon crumbles or side of bacon?
Bacon crumbles.
Bacon crumbles.
Yeah.
This one is going to be really hard to take a couple of minutes, but just put your hands. I'll be back with some plates and spatulas.
Okay, awesome.
Hawaiian pineapple,
Ooh.
fresh mango, white chocolate chips,
Yum.
some of our bacon crumbles, macadamia nuts.
Fantastic. Thank you. This looks so good. What pancake do you want to start with first?
I think we gotta start with the red velvet. We're gonna be efficient here. We're gonna cook some pancakes.
Yep.
Eat our sloppy loco while they're cooking up. Ready?
I may never make it out. In the morning,
Yeah, we're gonna give it a flip.
Okay, so this is the,
Loco moco,
which is
eggs, a hamburger patty, rice, and a brown gravy. Cheers. Whoa. That's fantastic.
yeah.
Wait, I love this.
Yeah.
Where do you make it? The fish? Oh, can I give it a pink eyeball?
just a little.
Star. It looks like Patrick. Oh, bacon white chocolate. Red velvet pancake. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hot but so good.
Sweet salty. Perfect combo. Wow. Yeah, well, if you got a sweet tooth and you're looking for a fun breakfast,
I know.
this is the place for it.
That's cool. But give yourself a time. Awesome. On to the next adventure.
Strong, crazy bets on me. Back mid scroll, Armageddon arcane. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why. Bars play cowgirls and numberless jazz. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on the Gideon time. On the Gideon time. Try to unplug it, turn it back on. Try to unplug, but the feeling's gone. Walking the wild, walking the wild. You don't know why, you don't know why, you don't know why. Radio play in the cesspool stream. Oh, running down nightmares that used to be dreams. Walking the wild, walking the wild. And I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on a Gideon time. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on a Gideon. Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. All night, let's take our shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take a long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down.
Are you doing the whole thing?
No,
or just
I'm
this?
biting
Okay.
just the tip of it off.
I haven't stayed there. Back then, I just could afford to go another coffee.
I didn't even bite the Is it hot? Mine was nothing.
That's spicy. Here, right now. But little. Maybe just to put your tongue on it.
Oh, that's hot. I just put my tongue on it. That kicks your nose.
Yeah.
Woo.
This is beautiful.
Moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best.
Fresh table side. Okay, I'm so excited. We literally came here for this. Oh my god, these are huge chunks. Wait.
I like this. I mean, it smells very hot.
Yeah.
This feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
I don't mind.
Yeah, you do. Oh. Are you going a little soy? This is so fun.
On
On
to
to
the next
next.
adventure.